The number one reason was because I wanted to start accessing the investment community, and I wanted to be able to have that avenue of being able to raise capital for ourselves.
We like your process. We think it's a very efficient way for us to raise capital, given that we are looking for raising small amounts of equity in a cost-effective and short timeline, and Optimize fits the bill. We like the team members that we've met, and we're looking forward to working together.
I was impressed with the way that Optimize had presented itself, the way that they were approaching the market, and of course, I was really impressed with the background of some of the principals and individuals that were involved. They had a good track record. They weren't just putting stuff out there and hoping for the best. I think traditional corporate financing is going away. I don't think it's very difficult for a company like ours right now to raise money through traditional corporate financing, because all of the traditional investment banks, all of the traditional brokerages that you used to raise money through on that kind of a basis are gone. Union's gone. Canaccord no longer does that kind of thing, right? Everybody's going to wealth management, and so it's very hard for companies in our size, in our space, to be able to raise smaller amounts of money.
We're looking to raise small amounts of equity relative to the traditional marketplace right now. The use of prospectuses and so on tends to be a very expensive process, and the market doesn't have the appetite for small equity raises that we have. It's a lot more difficult to attract large brokerage firms to operate in this space. This is the perfect way for us to raise money for the size of organization and the stage that we're at.